Aero Asset presents this 2000 Airbus Helicopters H120, serial number 1182. With more than 600 aircraft in service in over 50 countries, the H120 is a lightweight, single-engine helicopter providing balance between performance, operating cost, and reliability. It is renowned for its outstanding safety record thanks to best-in-class visibility, energy-absorbent seats, and a crash-resistant fuel system. The third-generation Fenestron anti-torque tail rotor makes the H120 the quietest in its class, permitting owners to fly in stringent urban and rural environments. Powered by the efficient, compact, and robust Saffron Arius 2F, the H120 is known to be as easy to maintain as it is to fly. Serial number 1182 is configured with many optional equipment, including emergency flotation system fixed parts, dual controls, and air conditioning. The cabin is configured in a 5-passenger corporate layout. This, combined with a generous cargo compartment, makes the H120 ideal for private and commercial passenger transportation. Airbus Helicopters H120 serial number 1182, presented by Aero Asset.